Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today, the husband is going to do the cooking. So, he is going to make cornmeal porridge, right?
Yes, cornmeal porridge.
Okay, he makes it for my mother. She loves it. And so we're going to share that recipe with you. So, I'm going to let my husband take over. Twisters, look out.
We're going to bring 4 cups of water to a boil. So, leave it there. I'm going to add some salt. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the cornmeal mixture. This mixture is how you get the lumps out of the cornmeal. No one wants lumps in their cornmeal. So I'm going to pour the cornmeal into the water. Get all of it out. And I'm going to whisk until it's a smooth mixture. See? So we do not like lumps in our cornmeal. Okay. Add some cinnamon. Add some nutmeg. Add some vanilla extract. Add some almond extract. And just stir this so it's all incorporated into the water. Okay, now we're going to take our cornmeal mixture and we're going to pour it in. And as we pour, we're going to kind of whisk it. It's going to be delicious. Let's get all of it in. And we are going to whisk it. We're going to bring that to a boil. So our cornmeal has come to a boil. Just whisk it so it continues to stay smooth. Now I'm going to add some sugar. And I'm going to mix that in. And the one thing you have to be aware of is that cornmeal takes a lot of milk, condensed milk. We're going to use half of can of condensed milk. So I'm pouring half of it in here. Okay. And we are going to stir this in until it's all incorporated. Look at that color coming back. That's because the milk turn it around so you get it. And voila! We have cornmeal porridge. So just to show you the consistency of the cornmeal porridge, you see it's very smooth and no lumps. And now I'm gonna taste.
I want to taste.
Okay, you could have some too.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, let's see. Moment of truth.
Sorry for making a mess. It's good. It's really good.
Oh my God, this is one of the best I've made.
So Cliff, thank you for making cornmeal porridge for our twisters today. And tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.